Alright, hello YouTube, just got some new parts for Christmas, Danscomp, and albes BMX stores. Alright, so let's start over here. Well, actually I got the Danscomp calendar right there, came with my purchase. Alright, I got the first box, got the ODI long neck grips in pink. They feel really nice, pretty bright. Came with some black bar ends, but I bought some watermelon green ODI bar ends. Pretty sweet looking. I got the stolen class ring 25 T sprocket. Nice. Alright. Over here, let's see, I think I got a stem. Let's see, yeah. Stickers. Got the Shadow CFL Conspiracy stem. It's really light, 52mm reach. They're supposed to be really nice. The bars don't really slip. Over here, got an Odyssey director box. Alright, so we got the Odyssey director forks in flat black right here. They got the built-in racing headset. They have no dropouts at the bottom. They're actually really light forks. They're pretty nice. Alright, here comes the big box. Alright, over here. This is one's from albes BMX. So I got the Sunday zip title Allen wrench. I got the Sunday seat clamp. Pretty sweet. Here we go. The big gift right here. I got the Sunday Funday 2-frame in watermelon green. Here it is. It's upside down right now, sorry. It's got removable brake mounts. It's got a 21-inch top tube with a really short back end, so it's really good for spinning and stuff. But yeah, check out my soon-to-be vids. Got a bike chat coming, got a new edit coming, so keep in touch. Bye.